Hello everyone, this is Fixed Maintenance College. I'm Anthony. Today we will have Lesson 12, iPhone 8 NFC Principle. The NFC function of iPhone 8 mainly used in Apple Pay, but after the system version of iOS 13, more functions of NFC are available. For example, you can use more functions by quick instruction. In China, people use NFC not much, so few people to notice the NFC ever. Even if he noticed, he will not spend money to fix it. Before the system version of iOS 12, NFC error will cause mobile phone root error or system updating error. When the root bar is going to 80%, iTunes will show the error code 55. After the system version of iOS 12, if NFC is error, the phone still can root, but the phone cannot be activated after rooting, because the NFC IC is encrypted. If it is broken, you can replace it, but the NFC function is unavailable. Actually, the NFC error is same of lies in it or error. Mainly the antenna of connection between PCB and the rear cover is error. There are two conditions for NFC working: power and signal. 1. Power. EA is the power of PP VDD main. A4 is 1.8 voltage power of PMU. H3 is 5 voltage power of NFC power IC. 2. Signal. E3 is activating signal from NFC to PMU. H1 is starting signal from PMU to NFC. A2 is boost starting signal from NFC to NFC power IC. E1, D1, E2, and C3 are UART control lines from CPU to NFC. A1 is activating signal from CPU to NFC. D3 is data request signal from CPU to NFC. B1 is clock request signal from NFC to BB power supply. C8 is clock signal from BB power supply to NFC. A3 is verification information from NFC to SIM card. H5, G8, and H7 are antenna lines of NFC. There are less people use NFC in China, but it is often used in overseas. Before the system version of iOS 13, there are few functions of NFC. It mainly used in Apple Pay. No other comparator. In system version of iOS 13, more functions in it. We need to know that the NFC IC of iPhone 8 is encrypted with CPU. So the NFC IC is useless after replaced. Because it is encrypted with CPU. This is NFC IC. There is low probability to find the CPU IC error in China because of the rare used. The NFC mainly used in app payment. In China, people prefer to use WeChat Pay or Alipay than NFC. Except for payment, NFC also can be used in bus car recharge. If NFC is error, it will cause error when routing or updating system. So when NFC is error, mobile phone will show error code and unactivate it. For this, we can replace NFC to solve the problem. But NFC function will not work because the NFC is encrypted with CPU. Now check iPhone 8 NFC repair idea. Number 1. Check 5 voltage power of NFC OK or not. If not, replace NFC 5 voltage power IC. Number 2. Take out NFC, check the shoulder of pad. If any light broken, need to jump. Number 3. Replace new NFC component. Number 4. Save data and swap board in iPhone 8. If you don't remove the original NFC component, NFC will not work. iPhone 8 repair reference. Case 1. iPhone 8 cannot activate after flashing. This case is about the iPhone 8 failure is a failure that cannot be activated after the phone is flashed. Analyzation is generally there are 3 reasons why a mobile phone cannot be activated. Number 1. The baseband is faulty. Number 2. The underlying Wi-Fi or BT code of the LAN does not match the original machine. Number 3. The NFC is faulty. Solution is, on the welcome screen, click the exclamation mark icon in the lower right corner of the screen to view the mobile phone information. After detecting that the mobile phone's IMEI is normal, determine that the baseband is normal. Take out the mobile phone motherboard for visual inspection and find that the motherboard is very beautiful. The NAND has not been dismantled. This eliminates the NAND problem. Finally, it is suspected that the mobile phone cannot be activated due to NFC failure. Remove the NFC IC directly and replace a new one, and then test again. The file is solved perfectly. Case 2. iPhone 8 cannot activate after system upgrade. This case is about the iPhone 8 failure is that cannot be activated after the phone is upgrading the system. Analyzation is generally there are 3 reasons why a mobile phone cannot be activated. 1. The baseband is faulty. 2. The underlying Wi-Fi or BT code of the LAN does not match the original machine. 3. The NFC is faulty. Solution is, on the welcome screen, click the exclamation mark icon in the lower right corner of the screen to view the mobile phone information. After detecting the mobile phone's IMEI is normal, determine that the baseband is normal. Take out the mobile phone motherboard for visual inspection and find that the motherboard is very beautiful. The NAND has not been dismantled. This eliminates the NAND problem. Finally, it is suspected that the mobile phone cannot be activated due to NFC failure. According to the check shown the iPhone 8 textbook, iPhone 8 1.0 version, page 15. First, check the working conditions of the NFC IC to see if it is normal. When the 5 voltage power supply of NFC is detected, the measured voltage is 0, and normally it should be 5 voltage. It is judged that there is faulted in this line. According to the drawing, the NFC 5 voltage power supply VDD NFC 5VS comes from the NFC DC-DC as power IC. It is determined that this power IC is damaged. Remove the NFC DC-DC as power IC. Replace a new NFC power IC and measure the 5 voltage power supply of NFC again. The multimeter displays a voltage of 5 voltage, indicating that the power supply is back to normal. Refresh and test. The file is repaired perfectly. Case 3. iPhone 8 Plus stuck after enter password. This case is about the iPhone 8 Plus malfunctioned after enter the correct password for the phone. The phone stuck without any response. Analyzation is mobile phone input password stuck is generally NFC failure. Solution is take out the motherboard, remove the shell on the CPU, and checked the motherboard under the microscope. Inspection found that the resistor R7502S had been burned out. According to the drawing, the associated circuit of the resistor R7502S is VDD NFC DVDDS, which is the self-boost circuit of NFC. This resistance damage will cause the NFC power supply to be abnormal and not work properly. This resistor is a protection resistor, and it can be directly short jumper if it is damaged. Short jumper the resistance R7502S, install and test, and the file is perfectly solved. Okay, this is the course today. More repair cases, please check on our book, iPhone Maintenance Point and Inspire. I am Anthony. Let's meet next time. Bye.